To transfer money from a vanilla gift card, you can utilize a peer-to-peer payment app, such as PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App, on your iOS or Android device. Start by launching the app and logging into your account. Then, locate the Link Card option from the menu and enter the required vanilla card information, including the card name, CVV, and expiration date. Once the card is linked, you can send money to another individual, who can then return the money to you. This time, the funds will be deposited into your account. You can then use the peer-to-peer app to withdraw the money into your bank account. Alternatively, you can purchase a money order from a money transfer service provider, such as MoneyGram, USPS, or Western Union. When buying the money order, be sure to list your name as both the sender and the recipient. After the money order is approved, you can take it to a nearby bank branch to cash it out. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from a vanilla gift card